Salamat. Palakpakan natin yung mga taga-health. And of course, Dr. Batong, thank you for hosting today's last na to. Next, of course, our honorable board members. Board Member Ursulum, palakpakan natin. Board Member Viloria. Of course, Board Member Fausto. Board Member Timbas. Board Member Garcia. Board Member Caronan, and Board Member Japo. Palakpakan po natin lahat sila. Our Chief of Staff, Gerald Pipes, mga department heads na nandito, our consultants na nandito, our mga, ano yun tawag nila doon? OJT. Dapat yung mga OJT joins the offices where they are assigned. No? Para they feel what it is to be with the office they are assigned. No? Palapakan natin yung mga OJT natin. And of course, the PGC family. Palakpakan natin ang mga sarili natin. And our guests, kung meron na yung mga guests ngayon. No, it's so nice. No, na on a Monday, happy Monday lahat sa inyo. No, I'll tell it again and again and again. I will never be your governor anymore. Kasi daming intriga. Ayoko na nag-iintriga. I will never run as governor anymore. Wala ho akong ambisyon na bumalik. Ang hirap maging gobernador. Tama na yung 9 years ko. I've done my best. I'm just here to assist, to advise if you need my advice. Because it pains me so much kung binabaliwala nyo naman yung sakripisyo namin in the last 9 years. We have done our part. We have done it well. Alam nyo naman kung ano yung tinatnan namin dito. And after 4 months, we were hit by Lawin. The super typhoon that practically destroyed and immobilized all of us. For 6 long months, wala tayong elektrisidad, di ba? Wala, buong Cagayan. I was here with you when we were hit, and I never saw Tuaw, and I never had contact with Tuaw for 4 days. Kasi hindi kami makapunta. Nakakuha lahat. Wala namang kahit na telcos, wala. Meron nga telcos, nawalan lahat doon. Alam nyo yan, the kind of destruction that we have to go through. No? For so many years. Ito, gububo dito eh. Amoy amin day jay. Nadadail idi. So may pagbagak idi. Sa atpay kinyat, adadadail nga gymnasium. Dagay duduma, awan nadadail nga gymnasium data. Awan day naramid nga gymnasium. I just want you to know where we came from so that you know where to start. Because every successor always points to his predecessor, of the shortcomings of his predecessor. Please do not do that to us, because we did our best. Every one of us here sacrificed for where we are now. Every one of us try to inspire each other against all odds, because alam niyo naman kung gaano kahirap i-unite itong Cagayan. Especially for me. I'm just an ordinary doctor, an ordinary mayor, a poor mayor and a poor congressman trying to unite his people. I failed in so many aspects of uniting the people. But I've done my part in trying to come up with a vision. Siguro wala namang, mula noon, wala namang naghangad na magkaroon ng bridges across the Cagayan River. Not even a proposal. We proposed 5 bridges. We started some of it. Diba? It's unfair na sabihin nyo, we didn't collaborate with anyone. We solved insurgency. Walang gobernador dito sa Region 2 na lumaban sa insurgency. Pag pinag-uusapan ng insurgency, nag-aalisan ng gobernador. You ask the Armed Forces of the Philippines, you ask the PNP who stood his path, no, to stop insurgency. We did not fight insurgency with guns and bullets. We fought it with good governance. We fought it with capacitating our people. And from the very start in 2016, we said we're not satisfied with the status quo. Hindi pwede ang status quo. We have to change it. Kaya sinisigaw namin noon, pabaruin ti Cagayan, pabaruin ti Cagayan. Da kayo ti mga ibaga, no, na pabaru ti Cagayan, minuan. But we could not change things in 9 years. Not all of it. Huwag niyo naman sabihin, di ba? Kung meron mang hindi nakaliquidate ng mga no barangay, no town left behind, hindi ho namin kasalanan yun. No? Basta binigay namin yung pondo sa kanila, sila mag-implement. Kung hindi lang ma-implement, hindi ho namin kasalanan yun dahil riresibuhan na sa amin. Ang may kasalanan nun, yung COA, kung hindi sila kasuhan. Kung pipilitin nyo pong i-liquidate yun, baka panay bogus ang pag-liquidation papers nyo. Dahil marami din po doon ang ninakaw ng mga past na mga natalo-talong mga kapitan, natalo-talong mayor. Ayaw na mag-liquidate. Don't blame it on us. Because we never have a taste of the money na binigay namin sa barangay. Dahil ang gusto namin makapacitate. Because we wanted to be their partners. And how could they partner with us kung hindi namin sila bigyan ng funds to capacitate themselves? Just like any other town. Bakit may town like dahil hindi nila binibigyan yung engineer ng sasakyan. Hindi nila binibigyan yung, diba, pati mga pulis, walang sasakyan. Bigyan natin, sabi ko, baka sakali magising lahat sila. Baka sakali makipag-partner sa atin. Baka sakali yung pulis, no, magda-download din ng kanilang mga MOOE for their fuel. Awa ng Diyos, hindi nila ginagawa yun. Because we wanted to change the status quo. I hope you see this. And I hope you appreciate it. Because no province in the entire country did what we did. Wala silang mga engineering equipments. Kaya nagbaba tayo ng mga grader, nagbaba tayo ng backhoe. Kalkalin nyo lahat kung magkano namin binili para alam nyo kung nagnakaw kami o hindi. But do not point on us because we did our best. And kung meron mang pinagtutungtungan ngayon, siguro naman yung nagawa namin in the last 5 years. Sabihin ko lahat sa inyo, wala hong mamba na tatakbong gobernador ulit. Tama na. Hindi namin kaya ang klase ng eleksyon natin. Sabihin ko lang sa inyo, don't destroy yung samahan namin ni Manong Egay. Nag-uusap kami ng tama. We agreed on so many things. Please, huwag niyo kaming intrigahin. If you don't want, no, to join his call for unity, no, let it be that way. But don't destroy what we have tried to build for Cagayan. Kasi it's unfair. No? Come on. Magpakatotoo naman tayo. Doon sa gustong mangimid-mid ka na kami, trabaho kayo pa lang. Papintasin niyo pa lang ti Cagayan. Yeah. Artapan niyo, dyan naramid mi. Tadya ti naramid mi, dyan sinuktan mi nga administrasyon. We saw to it, nga nagsubli, tikas dyan, nga sistema ito'y. We saw to it that from there, we make it better because we were not preparing for elections, mind you. We were preparing for the next generation of Cagayanos. Nadamramanak, tinaabak ti eleksyon na po. Naabak ka ng gobernador, naabak ka ng congressman. Wala sa akin yun. Parte ng buhay ko yun. Awa ng Diyos. Makalong awak manin. Tamay may isa. Ti panunod ko. Tinasisya at nga Cagayan. Nasisya at met nga ipatawid tayo ti anak tayo. Awan serbi na ti panagbiag tayo. No, awan pagbalinan ti anak tayo. Papay trabaho tayo. It's not for us. Who made us? It is our parents who made us. What will become of our children is who we are. And that is why we prepared for generations, not for elections. Sino ba hindi bumibili ng boto dito? Ako lang naman ah. Ako lang naman ah. Dahil nagpapakita ako ng tama. Ayaw nila ako. Lalo yung mga politikong gusto lang magpayaman. Wala akong pakialam. Sinasabi ko lang ito dahil wag niyo ho kaming intrigahin. Dahil masakit po sa amin yung klase ng sakripisyo namin dito. We were hit by 3 super typhoons and 1 mega flood. We were hit by COVID. Alam niyo po lahat yan. In 9 years, this all happened in 9 years. Only in Cagayan. Wala pang probinsya dito sa Pilipinas ang tinamaan na more than 1 na super typhoon kundi Cagayan. But we have gone through it. It made us stronger. That's why I'm telling all of people, yung resiliency, don't be proud of that resiliency. Because resiliency sometimes or most of the time is the product of the abandonment of our people. Kaya nasasanay sila sa hirap, nag-a-adjust sila sa hirap dahil wala tayong ginagawa para sa kanila. Mali po yun. No, mali po yun. Let us solve problems. Diba? Nakasimento naman tayo ng 392 na 392 kilometers naman yung nagawa namin. I would not credit this to myself. I credit it to the critics. I credit it to those people against it because it made me work better. They were all part of who we are and what we did. Including all of these super typhoons. I never said na ganito tayo dahil may super typhoon. No. Babahon tayo dyan. Pagkakanday natin itong Cagayan. Kahit yung COVID na yan, kahit yung insurgency na yan, kahit yung giyera na yan. Tignan natin the opportunities that we could get out of all of these things because sinasabi ko palagi sa inyo, failures become lessons if we learn things from them. And suffering of anyone is the best teacher. I've been telling you all of these things and I'll repeat it again sa inyo. Because ito po yung tinuntungan namin for 9 long years and we are here to share what we have gone through. Kung meron kayong matutunan, please, ask us. Kung meron kayong hindi alam, ask us. Kung paano kami nakarating sa dapat namin paroroonan, ask us. Kung meron kayong alam na failure namin, talk to us and we will explain you why. But do not hit us, please. Because you have not done anything yet for this province. Huwag niyo kaming pagdigwapuhan. Dahil ginawa namin ang pagsasakripisyo dito. And if anything happens here, maybe it's the first in the country. And we're proud of it. And we will always be proud of it. We will bring this to our graves. And we are here to partner with anyone who would make that vision come true. And that is why Manong Egay is with us. Please, sabihin ko na sa inyo, kasi ang daming sabi, pinili mo yan para mag-governor. Bullshit nila. Ayoko na mag-governor. Nagawa ko na yung kaya ko. Tama na yung sakripisyo ko. yung iba naman, let us give them the chance, no, to make better what we did. And to make what we did, no, create a better future for them. So again, sa lahat sa atin, please, let us all be together. Let us have unity of purpose. Let us have unity in diversity. Para magawa natin yung inaasam-asam natin para sa mga anak natin at sa mga henerasyon pagdadating. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Tama na yung intriga, please. Tama na. No? Give what Caesar, what is due Caesar. Because we have our part. We did our part. And we will continue with doing it for as long as it's acceptable and for the good of the people of Cagayan. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat and happy Monday po sa ating lahat.